spiritual worlds. Many different types of world spirits that grasp different abilities live there. Bluntly speaking, my Asura spirit world is the strongest within the 7 spiritual worlds, because the Asura world spirits are naturally prideful and would not create contracts with humans and work for them because of disdain. The number of world spiritists that are able to create a contract with the Asura world spirits can be said to be few within few, and rare within rare. However, the world spiritists that can establish a contract with the Asura world spirits will certainly be a lot more outstanding than the world spiritists of the same level. Not for any other reason, but purely because the power that they grasp is the Asura power, and their world spirit is the Asura world spirit, Eggy said extremely proudly. If you say it like that, am I not very lucky? Chu Feng chuckled and said. HMPH. You think so? You should know how many powerful world spiritists feel honored to be able to establish a contract with Asura world spirits, and feel proud to be able to establish a contract with Asura world spirits, but even so, Asura world spirit contractors are extremely rare. If you let the world spiritists who cultivated for many years know that a little child actually make a contract with me, they would really tear you apart from envy. Eggy pursed her little mouth and said. So that means it is a very dangerous thing to make a contract with you, and I still need to keep this a secret, Chu Feng sighed. Of course. I still remember the world spiritists who wanted to make a contract with me. Not a single one of them were famous characters, yet they were all refused by me. If they knew that I established a contract with a little boy like you, they would certainly be furious and unwilling, and they would instantly come over to kill you. However, don't worry. As long as you can quickly recover my original strength, there will be no one who can harm you, Eggy patted her chest and guaranteed. Actually, I wanted to say that since it is so hard to establish a contract with your Asura world spirits, the creator of this Asura ghost tower must not be a simple person. Chu Feng looked at his surroundings and had that thought. He would certainly not be simple, but how can he even be compared to your family? They were able to seal 2 Asura world spirits in your little baby body, and even I cannot escape it. As she spoke, Eggy had complaint all over her face, but from that, one could tell that Chu Feng's family was extraordinarily strong. As the two were chatting, a pillar of light suddenly appeared from the opening formation. It rushed towards the top of the Asura ghost tower. A spirit formation